This 2021 Entegra Coach Esteem 27U is a Class C RV. It is located in Longs, South Carolina, 29568 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV North Myrtle Beach. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Entegra coach is 30 feet 0 inches in length and features a Windsor interior, sleeps 6, Slideout. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, outdoor entertainment. This 2021 Entegra Coach Esteem 27U is built on a Ford E450 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.